In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create heat maps with pivot tables on Looker Studio. If you've ever wanted a quick way to spot patterns, highs and lows, or outliers in your data at a glance, a pivot table with a heat map is a great choice. It combines the flexibility of a pivot with color shading that immediately draws your eye to what matters. Start by opening your report in Looker Studio and make sure you're in edit mode. At the top, click Add a chart, then choose Pivot Table with Heat Map. This creates a blank chart on your canvas with a placeholder waiting for your fields. Don't worry if it looks empty at first. Everything comes to life once you connect your data. Now add your data for the chart. In the Data panel on the right, pick your data source, then choose a dimension for the rows and another dimension for the columns. For example, you might use a date or category on rows and a region, device, or campaign on columns. Next, add a metric. This is the value you want to summarize, like sessions, revenue, conversions, or average time. As soon as the metric is in place, the grid fills in and the heat map automatically shades the cells based on relative magnitude. Darker or more intense colors typically indicate higher values, while lighter shades represent lower values. While you're adding your data, you can refine how the numbers are summarized, such as sum, average, or count, to better match your analysis goals. You can also sort rows or columns to bring the highest impact items to the top or left, which makes the heat map easier to scan. If your dataset is large, consider narrowing the scope with relevant dimensions or filters so the table stays readable and responsive. As part of setting up your data, take a moment to fine-tune the appearance. In the Style or Heat Map settings, adjust the color palette to one that provides good contrast and aligns with your brand or report theme. You can tweak the color scale to better handle outliers, ensuring that a single large value doesn't wash out everything else. If totals are useful, enable them so you can quickly compare overall contribution across rows and columns. And that's all. You've built a pivot table with a heat map that highlights what's performing well and what needs attention. No complex formulas required. Use it to find top categories by region, best performing campaigns by device, or any crosstab you want to visualize. Save your report, and you're ready to share clear, visual insights with your team.